Okay, now I'm up to replacing the windshield. As you can see, my windshield is cracked. There'll be several videos on this. First, we're going to talk about cutting up the gasket so it'll come out. If you notice down here, you can see this razor blade is. The gasket holds the windshield in right here. You can see what I've done was I've taken off some of the top of the gasket, and I'm just running this along the in there to cut away to make sure there's no tension there. And I've got this little screwdriver here, and what I've been doing with this is I've just been running it like that. You see, it goes real easy. Actually, it's been going really easy, and I really can't believe it. It goes all the way across here, you can see, and this line right here, this line in the middle is like the edge of the windshield, and you can see it just kind of rips up. Let me see if I can do it, show you here. It just rips up, so it just comes right off. It's pretty interesting, and like I said, I've been running this along here. It'll go right in there, and you just run it right along and rip off. So I've got about half of it ripped off right now. You can see it. And I'm running this razor blade along here, just like that. That way I'm sure that there's no rubber holding, and it should just push right out, supposedly. Also, I used this, where is it? There it is. My same screwdriver to push this clip back on here. You can see there's a clip in there when you're removing the windshield wiper frame. See that clip in there? I just pushed that back with the same screwdriver. So basically, the tools I'm using is this screwdriver and a razor blade. So we'll see if it works. If the windshield wasn't cracked, I'm sure it would come right out. I'm gonna have to be really careful moving it, getting it out of there. So this is video one. We'll see.